A computer mouse is an input device that controls a cursor in a graphic user interface to select text, icons, files, and folders on a computer. On the 27th of April 1981, Steve Cauchy invented an optics mouse system intended for use with a personal computer. This mouse uses light instead of balls to trace its movement. It prevents dirt from getting stuck inside.
Being inventive, so when I was at MIT, I came up with this idea for an optical mouse because I thought it'd be a better, more reliable device than the mechanical mice that we had, which were constantly breaking. And so I designed and then built up an optical mouse and did all the electronics and all the software.
The first computer mouse was invented by Douglas Engelbart in 1964. It was designed as a wooden box with two metal wheels that make contact with surface. This mouse has only one key.
Computer display backed up by a computer that was alive for you all day and was instantly responsible. We have a pointing device called our mouse, and in a second we'll see the screen that he's working and the way the tracking spot moves in conjunction with movements of that mouse. I don't know why we call it a mouse. Sometimes I apologize. It started that way and we never did change it.
8 years later, in 1972, Bill English created what is known as the ball mouse. The ball replaced the wheels, which allows it to move in every direction. In 1998, Apple came up with a USB interface computer mouse called iMac. The round shape confused many of its users, and the nickname Ice Ball was given to it. Until the year 2000, Apple released a Pro series of computer mouse. It was wrapped in a transparent plastic and push buttons were replaced. A stock computer mouse was announced by Microsoft in 2004. This mouse was invented by Philippe Starck. It is Microsoft's first attempt to put art into its products. In 2005, Sony released a mouse that can transform into a telephone when its users need to. It combined the typical phone and portable computer mouse together. Also, in 2005, a Pro computer mouse was invented by Apple. This mouse contained an all-direction rolling ball. The Magic Mouse in 2009 simplified this even more. On the top is a gesture text input design. In 2010, Microsoft pushed out their bendable arc computer mouse. When not used, this type of mouse can be laid flat. When used, it can bend to adjust to its user's palm shape. Blu-ray technique allows the mouse to be used on wood or even carpet.